Stocks ended lower on Wall Street on Friday, erasing the S&P 500's gains for the week. The S&P 500 slipped 0.4% Friday, but remains close to the record high it set last week. The Nasdaq Composite fell 0.7%, and the Dow slipped 0.1%. US stocks dropped Friday as traders analyzed new economic data showing slowing inflation and improved consumer sentiment. The University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index for June rose to 68.2 from the preliminary 65.6 reading, with the one-year inflation outlook falling to 3% from 3.3% expected in May. US core PCE rose 0.1% monthly and 2.6% annually, just below April. These figures meet Dow Jones estimates, marking the lowest annual inflation rate since March 2021, surpassing the Fed's 2% target. Asia Pacific markets started the second half of the year mixed as investors assessed June business activity data from China alongside Japan's business confidence readings. India's core sector growth slowed to 6.3% in May, down from 6.7% in April, driven by declines in cement and fertilizer sectors. Nifty ended slightly lower on 28 June, forming a minor bearish pattern. However, on weekly charts, Nifty rose for the fourth consecutive week, up to 0.17%, the largest weekly gain in 5 months, to record its best month so far this year. On weekly charts, the Nifty formed a large bull candle breaking out of a range. On monthly charts, Nifty gained 6.57%, the largest monthly gain in 6 months. Nifty could face resistance from the 24,174 to 24,380 band, while support could come in at 23,338 in the near term. Nifty continues to defy expectations of a correction, maintaining its upward trend.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.